Okay, Deej, what does Mom's card say we're supposed to do?
Put turkey in oven, turn oven on, close oven door.
Ready?
I guess so.
Let's do it. Man, I hate cooking.
Me too.
Happy holidays. How's it going?
We're spent. Question, Nance. Is there any circumstance under which you would ice and then oil a potato?
No.
Okay, then that's slice and boil. DJ, go wash your hands. You're smudging the cards.
Where do you want me to put the gifts?
Oh, in the living room. Did you guys bring your presents too?
Oh, that's okay. We already gave each other our gifts earlier.
DJ, would you, hey, how about grabbing the rock salt, going out and salting the driveway?
Okay.
Could you guys cool with, giving each other presents in front of the kid?
What? I got her some earrings and she gave me a sweater.
Yeah. That's what I meant. I don't want him to be jealous.
It's cool, Dan. I get it. We know how hard you've been trying to deal with all of this, and I just want you to know we really appreciate it.
Yeah, some guys wouldn't know. Who wants a beer?
I'll get her.
Hello. Hey, Beck, where are you? Oh, no, you're kidding. I'm just glad you guys were smart enough to get off the road. Give me the number of the motel. No, yeah, I'll tell her you can't make it. Sure. We could just send the gifts to each other. Of course, we were going to get you that washer and dryer and that speedboat. That'll be kind of hard to ship. You guys got one of those dancing beer cans? Okay. Yeah. Well, we're going to miss you too. Yeah, bye. Oh, hey, listen, Beck, yeah, well, tell me about that apartment of yours, yeah? No kidding, burned down? Boy, that's a shame.
Oh, Dan, you know Becky could be here if she really wanted to. Did you tell her we're having stovetop? Yeah, okay. Bye.
What happened?
Oh, Becky got snowed in Wisconsin.
Oh, no.
I don't think we're going anywhere either. They haven't plowed yet, and the cars are buried.
Oh, man.
Oh, I'm going out to the car and get our stuff. I mean, it's times like these when people start looting. Beverly, come on.
Slow down, Mother.
Yeah, remember your age. You've got a daughter in a retirement home.
Thanks a lot, Roseanne. Had to make us stay and work late, didn't you? I hope you know you ruined my entire evening.
Well, what about me? I wanted to be with my loved ones tonight, and I got stuck with you guys.
Oh, I see what's going on. You're gonna spend all night ragging on everybody and making them miserable. Sure, fun for you. What about the rest of us?
What happened? Apparently, I didn't move fast enough for her, so she shoved my, how'd you put it, Mother? My big butt into a snowbank. Oh, yeah. Roseanne, where did you hide the scotch?
The coast is clear for a little while. Can this be, the night?
I don't know. Why don't we just see what happens?
Because nothing ever does happen, and it's frustrating as hell, Darlene.
What are you doing?
What you want? Nothing.
So what? Now we can't even kiss unless I'm ready to go all the way?
I don't know. Why don't we just see what happens? What are you doing?
Forget this. I'm out of here.
Fine. You want to go? Go.
Oh, Merry Christmas.